Bennett can hold 3 checks.
I can hold 2.
Let's see.
If you can catch that little guy, because he's going crazy. I can hold 3 too. Those 3 are Hydra. Hydra. I got 1 Hydra. 2 Hydra.
Let's see, Bowen.
And where's the Hydra? I need a chip.
Oh, Castle. You got it.
Okay. Wait, is this one that poops? Nope. Do you have anybody that poops?
Come on, Bennett.
Here.
Let's see, Bo.
Stop kicking. Hey.
Let me see.
There.
Oh. Careful. A little bit.
What do we high fives? Go. 3 little high fives. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Who's that?
That's
He's not.
Gimpy.
Gimp is not having any of that.
Yeah.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. High fives. Look. Come on.
Okay, set him down easy. Good job.
Did he pee on you at the last moment?